This is how you can do color correction on a Capcut using the iPad. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one, right? So whenever you have your Capcut ready like that, you can go to your projects and whatnot, right? Like import your clips. In order to do color correction, make sure you select it like this. And from the options below, click on the adjust, right? Like this lets you change the couple of different things. Like obviously we have the brightness and all of that. And we also have one option or button for color correction. So you can tap on that and it just like has this like one slider, which it lets you bump it up or lower it down. And it should like make the colors generally better with a click of a button. We also have the color match, which is like a different thing. But, you know, to be fair, I don't really like this like default option for color correction. And I personally still like to have the clip selected, go to the adjust section. And from the options there, I like to go to the HSL, which stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. And in there, we have the classic 8 colors, which we can adjust the 3 sliders, like the hue, saturation, and lightness. And in there, you can do like really nice color grading and color correcting like this. So you can adjust this, like, for example, dial down the saturation of the blue colors or whatever, right? It's the similar or actually the same thing that we have in the Lightroom or even in Photoshop, right? So it's the same thing you can do in here, so that's pretty cool. Now, that would be about it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you need some other things, because I have so many tutorials about Capcut on this channel, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss those. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.